You wouldn't just pick up the phone and call a mechanic and ask him, how much is it going to cost to fix my car? Because he doesn't know anything about your car and he doesn't know the problems that it's got. He's probably going to suggest that you bring it into the shop so he can give it a service and then he can let you know exactly what needs to be done to get it back on the road and get it running safely. And it's a little bit the same when you think about your website. We oftentimes get people call us and say, how much is it going to cost to get our website on page #1 of Google? And obviously, it depends. We can't really tell you the answer to that until we've had a chance to look at your website, look at it underneath the hood, find out what problems that it's got, and find out what needs to happen to get it back on track. So that's where Melbourne SEO Services has a little bit of a unique approach in our industry. We start off clients with what we call our starter pack. It's a 150-point checklist that we go through and we find out every little thing about the website and find out what needs to be fixed to make sure that the website is following Google's best practice and make sure that it can get found online. So that's step 1. Then step 2 is we start to implement what it is that we find that needs to be fixed. Now this usually happens over a 1 to 2 month process after that, and it really does depend on what needs to be fixed. Sometimes it can be a little bit longer, sometimes it can be a little bit shorter. And then we move into stage 3, which is once we know your website's rock solid and it's performing just as it should, we can then look to an ongoing strategy, a content marketing strategy where we create great quality content that engages your audience, and then we also help to syndicate that across the web. This is a very effective strategy that gets fantastic results. And if it feels like it's something that resonates with you, go ahead, book one of the Business Accelerator sessions. You'll find the details beneath this video. Chat with one of the team and they'll get you on track. We look forward to working with you soon.